Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Gusto HR Features Review My Usage Experience. Gusto HR Features Review My Usage Experience offers HR software solutions for small and medium-sized businesses. It aims to simplify payroll, benefits administration, and HR management. Key features likely include payroll processing, benefits management, employee onboarding, and reporting tools. Their website provides details on specific features and pricing plans. Gusto positions itself as a user-friendly and affordable alternative to more complex HR systems. They emphasize ease of use and transparent pricing, claiming no hidden fees. Their website highlights a streamlined onboarding process and intuitive interface. Availability is generally nationwide, although specific features might vary based on location. They claim to leverage modern cloud technology for secure and reliable service. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Gusto. Getting started was surprisingly easy. The setup process was straightforward, and their onboarding tutorials were incredibly helpful. I was able to input employee information and set up payroll within an hour. Navigating the interface was intuitive. The dashboard clearly displays key metrics and allows easy access to different modules. For example, processing payroll was a breeze. It took just a few clicks to generate paychecks and send them to employees. The reporting tools were also very useful. Generating reports on employee hours, payroll costs, and benefits usage was simple and efficient. The system performed flawlessly throughout my testing. It was quick, reliable, and provided accurate results. I had a quick question about integrating Gusto with our existing accounting software, and their support team responded within a day via email, providing clear and helpful instructions. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was, and the standout feature for me was definitely the automated tax calculations and filings, a massive time saver. One minor drawback was the lack of a robust mobile app for on-the-go management, though the web interface works well on mobile devices. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Gusto. It's a powerful and efficient HR solution, especially for businesses like mine that need a user-friendly and affordable option. That's my overview of Gusto HR Features Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.